Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Minecraft. Remember, don't mind the other voices. And me, actually. Today I think I'm gonna go mining. Look for some iron or so. That's my little cave. Actually, I need to look for a bed just in case I might die. But yeah, I brought some torches. That's good. Torches here, there. Well, I got some iron. What do you know? My stone and break the iron. I got coal, right? Iron, which is good. I think I'm gonna need to make some stone things for stone armor and stuff, but yeah, we keep going. Go this way. What was that? Coal, pickaxe, boom, 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 boom. I need to get lots and lots of stone so I can make stone items. There you go, make some coal. Boom. Boom. Awesome. And I need to make stone to get stone items. So I'll just make some of this. Ooh, got some iron. But you know, lucky mine. Go. This iron. Pickaxe. Bring home some iron, some stone. Yeah. Yeah, like